as some of you may know that I'm on a very strict diet, but we have a very big reason to celebrate, and which is that just yesterday, which is 20th, today is the day we are shooting, a woman, a lady, a woman of color, woman of Indian origin from our India. She has been sworn in as the Vice President of the United States of America, Madam Vice President Kamala Harris. And so this is such a proud moment. It calls for a big celebration. So I'm checking my diet.
तुला काय पाहिजे?
I am going to cook something which is one of my favorite decadent recipes. It's called lemon butter garlic prawns.
आज मिलेगा कुछ ढंग का खाना.
So join me this week as I show you one of the simplest recipes to make.